Hello, Amazing All Stars. Today is Friday, December 17th. It's our last number corner for the year 2021. The next number corner video you hear from me will be in the new year, January of 2022. Let's find out what's on our calendar. Since it is our last day together for Number Corner, I am going to turn over all of the cards today and find out what we have on our calendar. What 3D shape will we find? I see a juice box. Is that another rectangular prism? Yes. Oh, wow, a fish tank. Another rectangular prism. Remember, there are rectangles on every side, top, bottom, and around each side of that fish tank. Then we have a snowman! And each one of the balls that makes, each one of those snowballs that makes a snowman is a sphere shape. Good job. We have the globe, Earth, planet Earth, which is a sphere. We have a spool of yarn, which is in the shape of a sphere. We have blocks that are cubes. We have, wow, oh, these are those puzzle pieces that you put together to make them into a 3D shape. Another cube. We have die. Each one is a dice. When you have more than one, they are called die. And these are cubes. This happens to be Jerry's birthday, December 24th. Happy birthday early, Jerry. All right, and this is Christmas Day, December 25th. What will we have on today's card? Let's see. It's a garbage can or trash can in the shape of a cylinder. We have a candle that's also in the shape of a cylinder. We even have a jar in the shape of a cylinder. Cat food in the shape of a cylinder. Sidewalk chalk in a rectangular prism box. A box of macaroni and cheese in a rectangular prism box. And for the last card of 2021, what will it be? Bum, 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 bum. Lockers! These are lockers where people will put their things in. And these are all in the shape of a rectangular prism. I hope you've enjoyed all of these cards, learning more about 3D shapes. Let's add another day to our days in school. 73 days. 73 days that we've been together. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71, 72, 73. 73 days. We'll change our information here to show the number of days in school, 73. The number word, 73. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 73. 60, 70, 3, and then we'll add another penny to make 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71, 72, 73. Very good. What I would like to do on this last day is talk to you more and more about one of those amazing 3D shapes that we call a cube. A cube has 6 flat sides called faces. Remember, we call all of those flat sides faces. Each cube has a square-shaped face. All of the sides of a cube are squares. Each side is a square. A cube has straight edges, as you can see here, 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 and even here. It has pointy corners called vertices. The corners of the 3D shapes are called vertices. You might see cubes with a Unifix cube. Those cubes that we use to make our trains for math, a wooden block, an alphabet block, a tissue box, a small tissue box. Now, a bigger tissue box will be called a rectangular prism. I have to say that. A package could be a cube shape. Or you may see some true cubes. I hope you have enjoyed our number corner for the day. All stars, what I'd like you to do is this. I would like you to start counting from the number 70 until the number 90. And then I would like you to count backwards from the number 90 to the number 70. Do not forget, you can pull out your hundreds chart in our independent work area to help you with that if you are stuck on a number. Have an amazing day, All Stars.